To enable power saving mode on Poco F8 Ultra, start by opening settings. Right now you have to search for battery options over here, and we have to change current mode. As you can see, we got battery saver and the ultra battery saver, and if you select one of the following option, you will find a short description. So for example, for the ultra battery saver, it will actually restrict most power consuming features and decreases our device performance. But we will actually be able to receive some calls, messages, and we will be able to connect into the network. And you have to click OK if you want to turn on this mode. And now, as you can see, that's how it looks. Now it will apply everything one by one, and our screen looks like this. This is the ultimate power saving mode on the Poco F8 Ultra.